The survival of mankind and its financial global economy are inextricably linked to the Earth's forests. The 7 billion people on our planet are mostly unaware that their livelihoods depend on the forests. They play a critical role in absorbing and storing carbon, providing food, water, wood products and vital medicines, as well as supporting much of the Earth's biodiversity. Conservation is the most important factor in the world's economy. Square meter by square meter, real conservation comes first.